Welcome student to class 8. Now today we are going to discuss about lift pump or common water pump. Dear children, here the water pump figure. This figure is known as water pump. Here water pump principle, device to pull water from a well and to pull water from underground. Working principle is based on atmospheric pressure. Let's see the construction. The device is made up of cylinder and piston. In cylinder, piston is fitted which is joined with the rod. Contains works and valve B. Piston divides cylinder into part A and part B. Here, part A is connected with the pipe which joins with water source. There is valve A at joint of the cylinder and pipe. Now let's start working method of water pump. Working method is based on pulling the piston and pushing the piston. Water pump is a device to pull water from the well or to pull water from underground. It works of principle of atmospheric pressure and construction of the device. The device is made up of only two parts, piston and cylinder. Here, piston is turned, is fitted in the rod and handle on the top, and piston has valve B in it. Here, piston divides the cylinder into part A and part B. So, part A is connected with the pipe and this pipe draw water from the source. Water flow into the cylinder in this pipe. So, this pipe opening the valve A at end of part A. So, this is construction of the device. Now, the working method is based on up stroke and down stroke of the piston. So, in down stroke, when handle is lifted, that is, handle is lifted up, piston is pushed down. When piston is pushed down, volume of A decreases and pressure increases in it. Now, due to higher pressure in it, this valve B open and the valve A. That is, valve B open and water flow from A to B. Higher pressure area to lower pressure area. Now, next step, stroke down when handle is pushed. That is, handle is pushed down, that is, piston is moving up. When the piston moves up, volume of A increases, which decreases pressure in it. Now, this decreased pressure open valve A because there is low pressure and the pressure is higher outside. When there in it low pressure, then the pressure is low, what compares to pressure and pressure in outside in water sources. So the water flows from higher pressure area to lower pressure area through valve A. Valve A is open now, so at this time valve B is closed because there is higher pressure in B, and due to high pressure in B, water flow out from spout. So this working method of water pump.